Hi, my name is Assad, and I'm here to talk to you about ConnextFX. ConnextFX is a Forex broker that is offering a $30 welcome bonus to new traders. The image you see here shows the welcome bonus offer from ConnextFX. It says, "Good to see you. Open an account and get greeting credit for trading $30. The text also says that the bonus can only be used for trading and cannot be withdrawn. However, your deposit and any profits made from trading the bonus can be withdrawn. To claim the ConnextFX welcome bonus, simply open a new account and the bonus is available to all new traders, regardless of your experience level. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you can take advantage of this great offer. If you're looking for a Forex broker that offers a generous welcome bonus, then ConnextFX is a great option. With their $30 bonus, you can start trading real markets and potentially make some real profits. Call to action. To learn more about ConnextFX and to claim your welcome bonus, visit their website today. I hope this is what you were looking for. Let me know if you have any other questions.